Sandyford Business District is located in South County Dublin. It has an area of approximately 400 acres and comprises 4 business parks: South County, Central, Sandyford and Stillorgan. There are approximately 26,000 employees, 5,000 residents and in excess of 1,000 businesses. The whole idea of the signage programme was to improve wayfinding and improve the overall appearance of the district and tie in the 4 business parks. It's a substantial scheme. It's been co-funded by Sandyford Business District and Dunleary-Rathdown County Council. Total investment is in the region of €200,000. Phase 1 of the Sandyford Business District signage programme is complete. We retrofitted 3 gateway signs. There's 7 flagpole signs installed and approximately 80 road signs installed. The Sandyford Business District signage programme was mainly designed by Zinc with input from Sandyford Business District and Dunleary-Rathdown County Council. Gaylight located within Sandyford Business Park prototyped, designed and installed each of the signs. We're on the ground understanding what businesses what issues they are experiencing. We're trying to address some of those issues. So the signage programme itself, it's one of many projects that will be taking place throughout the year.